This is how your normal HR screen looks like. So we have come here. When you go to my client groups, you see a person, new person, and then you see a person management, right? Person management is what we have been going into. So let's go there. Let me first walk you through the person record, then we'll come back to new person. So whenever you're searching for anyone, you can search by name, person, national ID. You know this already. So let's say we have John that we are searching for. And from here, you can do an export to Excel. Do you see here, export to Excel? Here, currently you have 8 columns which are attached here. When you go to actions, view columns, you can see more columns that are here. So you can add them one by one, like maybe you want the worker number or you want the system person type also here. So you can add it here. So you get system person type and user person type. Or what you can do, maybe you want a dump of all the information. So you come here, columns, say show all. That means all the columns will be added here. And then you can scroll across. See here. Maybe this termination date you don't want, or system person type you don't want. Then you go back here, view columns, and you scroll down. Okay, whichever one you don't want, you can just tick on the side. So this will get unticked, it will get removed. So the system person type is gone now. As you can see, when you're searching for this, you get lot of Johns. All the Johns in the application are seen here. Now, there are some who are not from US or the country is different, business unit may be different. So you want to search on that also, but it doesn't provide you an option here. What you have to do is you have this advanced button here, click on the advanced. You will be able to add additional fields in the search criteria. See, in the advanced, you get an assignment number, you get a job, you get a department, location. Any one of these are mandatory. Okay, at least one is required. Okay, all of these are, at least any one of these is required, and the effective date. That's why the default effective date is there. You can of course change it to any date in the past or future to see date track records. You can also add fields like this. Suppose you want business unit, you can say John, and then you can put a department here. So this one here, you can see the department. Now, maybe here name you want to put as John, and business unit, you can say US1 legal entity. Okay. Oh, US1 business unit, sorry. So US1 business unit. So John, you can go by keyword also. So you can remove the name. You can put the keyword. Keyword will look for first name, middle name, last name. That's the advantage. Whereas name, the order is important, whether it is the first name or the last name, right? For example, when you put name John, you will only get those who have this John dot what is their full name? Look at their full name. So depending on what their full name is, you will only get who have John in the first part of it, right? Those who are matching it. Otherwise, with keywords, you will get John being anywhere. Now, when I search on this, I will get all those Johns who belong to US1 business unit. So those who are in Australia or UK or India, China, they are all gone. See, you can only see those who are in US1 business unit. Clear? Now your criteria can change depending on what you are going to be doing. Okay, what you are searching for, whom you are searching for. And then you can do just an export and you will get it in Excel. All right. And formatting, resize column. Oh, the other thing that you can do here is, suppose this person number that you see here, you don't want it, you want it in the beginning. So what you do is select this column, drag and drop it over here. So you get this reordered. Person type, maybe you want the person type right in the beginning. So drag it, put it in the beginning. So you can move the column orders but just by dragging. Okay. You don't want something that you know how to enable, disable, something which is duplicate, maybe assignment number, right? So here, if you just highlight this, select, right click, you will get this option. So you don't want assignment number. That means you have to click on it. Assignment number, this will be removed. Got it? Hope everybody is clear. And to go back to that 4-field search, you see this basic and you will come back to this original one. So you have two options, basic and advanced. Whenever you are searching in this manner, you have this option to click on the person, or you can go by the actions here to navigate. The order is absences, payroll, all payroll related information is here. Then you have compensation, all salary compensation related information, person employment related information, workforce modeling, that's another area where we'll go back later. All right, let me just close this and go back. So let me again search for John. Oops. Okay. So this John is in Finance UK. That means UK Business Group. Now, while you're doing it through this actions, this is one option. Another option is through these 3 dots that you see here. Do you see these 3 dots here? You can click on the 3 dots. And you get a screen like this. Here also, these are the segregated based on absence, compensation, person employment, more or less similar things that you saw on the task button, right? Action button, talent management, vacancy, workforce modeling, hiring, feedback. So all the things you can also navigate from here. This is the action button that you have here. Okay, whichever one you want to go to, you can go here. When you click on this I, you get information about this person. Okay, the person's, who is the manager, department, email, phone number, work address, you get this. Now to go back to the action, you click on this again, you are presented with the details. Now, whenever you are navigating, one option is you can go through this action. One option is you can go through these 3 dots. Another option is you click on the name itself. When you click on the name, you are taken to what we call as the employment screen.